My name is Kokus FX, and in today's video, I'll be telling you guys how I started trading the Forex market. It all started on the mid of June 2025 when I met Milski at a phone charging center. Milski as of then was an option trader. We exchanged ideas at the phone charging center, and I told Milski that I'm a crypto trader as of then, and he said he's an option trader, expert option to be precise. We exchanged contacts, and fortunately for me, I and Milski lived in the same neighborhood, which was a great privilege for me. Most of the times when I come visiting Milski at his house, he is always with paper and pen drawing candlesticks and chart patterns. I was always like, what is this guy always drawing? One day, me and Milski were chatting. I complained to him of how long I have been on the crypto space and how much I have lost so far. Milski suggested that I should learn forex trading, even though he was an option trader. I conceived the idea Milski shared with me, but there was a very big problem. There was no one to teach me forex. Milski, an option trader who uses indicator most of the time for his trades. I could have paid for mentorship, but I could barely afford a 3 square meal for myself. Even before Milski shared the idea of starting forex trading with me, I have once made researches about forex trading, but everything seemed confusing because I had no one to direct my path. Now I had no other option than to force myself into learning forex trading. This is where determination and focus played a vital role in my journey. I started learning the basics, market structure, support and resistance, which is one of the basics any professional trader started with. Then I funded my first $10, which I blew up the next day. Everything seemed devastating, meaningless as of then, because I had no one to correct my mistakes. And in forex trading, you don't say sorry, you pay for your mistakes, which I learned the hard way. I learned some few other concepts like SMC concepts, ICT concepts. I made ChatGPT my mentor. TradingView became the best app I ever came across, even though it was my enemy when Forex seemed confusing at the start. But now we are best friends. I studied day and night trying to figure out things on my own because I had no mentor. I blew as many $10 accounts as I could afford to fund then, but thank God for today. Everything seemed to be making sense. I can now analyze the chart and make trading decisions on my own. All glory to God Almighty who made it possible. And I still acknowledge the fact that one with God is majority. And if you're watching this video and you're still doubting yourself whether you can learn forex on your own, I'm a living witness that you can do anything with determination and consistency. Good thing doesn't come easily. I'm not where I want to be, but I am not where I used to be. I thank God for the grace so far, for the improvement so far, And if you're watching this video and this video inspires you, I am FX, and I urge you to subscribe to the channel to join the community of great mindset people. Thanks for watching, and if my story inspired you like I said earlier, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I am FX, Nigerian Forex trader, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I love you guys, the Millionaire Gangs. Peace.